It's FishinDownSouthTv with your girl JIG. Y'all already know what's going on, man. Another day, another fishing video. And today I'm back. I am back at the neighborhood honey hole. I came out here literally yesterday evening. I only caught one fish. It was getting dark. Also, 2, it was getting cold. And 3, I didn't know what color to use to catch the fish. Only one I caught a fish on was the white shad looking lure that I use at the other pond. So I don't have that on today because I want to try something different. But if I do have to, then I have it on standby. You feel what I'm saying? Got it on standby type shit. So y'all already know what to do, man. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so you be notified anytime I post any more videos to FishinDownSouthTv with who? Your girl JIG. Y'all, let's get straight to fishing. Also, I got my GoPro on today. I had to bring it back out. I didn't like it at first because the battery dies fast. It overheats pretty fast. So during the summertime, I had a horrible time using this GoPro. Like, I give it a 0 out of 5 stars because during the summertime it's useless. Like, there's no point. So that's why I got this battery pack on right here and my GoPro. So hopefully today I'll be able to not cover the lens up with my arm when I do set a hook on a fish today. So let's go. All right, y'all. Today I'm going to try the rattle trap. I did get a fish. I got 2 fish on this last time I was out here. So let's see if we can do it again today. Dang, it's windy. Thinking about switching to a JIG. Oh, fish on. Oh. I didn't even know it. I swear I didn't feel it. Oh, I swear I didn't feel it. Oh, don't come on. Yeah, baby. I swear I did not even feel the bite. It was like so light. Thank you, fish. Goody. We might let the one I caught yesterday. Is it? I don't think so. Nah, it ain't. Thank you. Told y'all. Let's go. Get a good release because I don't need that weird release. Alright, y'all. That was great. I swear I did not feel that heat at all. Like, I felt like I hit a rock or something, or a tree limb or some debris, but it did not feel like a fish at all. And then this water moving rapidly. Alright, y'all, so went back to my truck, got my other rod. I'm gonna keep this one just in case, but I got this one. I got the football jig in here. It's a peanut butter junk color. I'm guessing it'll work. The water's kind of dirty, so this does. Right there, I knew it. I just knew it. Fish on, baby. Yes, you're dirty now. You're dirty. Ooh. There we go. Yes, sir. On the peanut butter jelly. Let's go. Fish number 2, baby. Fish number 2. All right, I'm gonna toss you. Toss you back. Ooh, sorry. Go ahead, try. Sucks. I just knew it was gonna be one right there. Just knew it. Alright, y'all. So unfortunately, GoPro dies. Don't know how when I had it on the portable charger. So I'm probably finna head out anyway. This might be my last couple of casts, and I'm gone because the bike slowed down. Alright, y'all, so I guess that's gonna be the end of this video, man. Like, these fish finicky now, I guess because of the weather change and the temperature change in the water. So I bet by springtime though they'll start back biting. But as of right now, they not biting no more. And I only caught 2 fish on 2 different lures, which is cool, you know what I'm saying? But I wish it was more. I always wish I could catch at least 5 to 6 fish a day. Like, every time I come out fishing, I wish I could catch 5 to 6 fish. So, I know this video may be a little short, like the last one was short, but I'm just trying to get them out there for y'all. I mean, if I catch one, I catch one. If I only catch one, I only catch one. You know what I'm saying? If I catch 5, I catch 5, you know? But yeah, if y'all like this video, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Welcome to the fishing family, you know what I'm saying? And until next time on Fishing Down South TV with your girl JIG, peace.